Types of lens according to focal length. Number 1 is normal lens. It replicates the perspective of the human eye. It is well suited for everyday photography, capturing scenes with a natural field of view. Number 2, wide-angle lens. It enables you to capture expansive scenes with a broad perspective. It's perfect for landscape photography, architectural shots, and group photos. Number 3, telephoto lens. It allows you to zoom in on distant subjects. It excels in the capturing fine and details from a distance, making it ideal for wildlife photography, sports, events, and any scenario where you need to bring distant subjects closer. Number 4, macro lens. This lens excels in capturing intricate details of small objects, revealing the beauty of tiny objects like flowers, insects, and texture. The last one is zoom lens. With a fixed focal length of 180 mm, allows you to magnify your subject without physically getting closer.